I share one most important tip that helped me the most to be more productive right now. And this tip is not requiring any willpower or anything. It's just a strategical change and it will help you so much. It's called the Parkinsons Law. And this is just stating that if you have short amount of time for something, you have to finish a report until tomorrow, versus having a long amount of time for the same thing. You have 2 weeks for the same report. In the second scenario, you will take much more time, you will dabble around, you won't be so productive, but you will be much more productive if you have less time, because the amount of effort you put into it, you stretch that regarding how much time you have left. So you could change this up, right? Sometimes you have a lot of deadlines from somebody else. For example, when I studied psychology, once a week I had this tutorial, and then I just started before the tutorial. I didn't worry about this the entire week and always worked unproductively on it. I was like, okay, I'll look at the tasks. Okay, I know, and I was sure about this is important here. I know how much work this will take. It will take about 2 hours. All right. Then I just started working 2 hours before the tutorial, and I was doing this. And I was not worrying about this the entire week. I could do different things, shoot videos, was straight mind, for example. One tip. Of course, you need to be sure about how much work it is, that there's not a huge surprise coming up. Now, the second tip, how you could use this, is to just set your own goals and deadlines. When I was, for example, writing my bachelor thesis, I remember the deadline was in April, and I was like, damn it, it's not too much work. I just set the goal for Christmas. And I was doing this, submitting it on Christmas. I was very productive because I realized, oh, next week I gotta submit it. I was taking my time and I was doing a good job. I got a really good grade for that. But then I was also done, and at Christmas I was flying then to Thailand and I had fun there and I could let go of everything. And then the next 4 months, I could again focus on different goals or on different things, because I had not the mental capacity, was not loaded with all those other deadlines, and I was very productive in this time frame, right? So make sure that if you work productive. People work so long, and I remember my friends back in university, they were like, oh, I was in the library the entire day, and I was like, how can you do this? I nap every day, so I'm more productive. And if I work very efficiently, and that's what you want to do as well. Use this with the Parkinson's Law. Make sure how you can compress your working hours. And I hope this tip helped you. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll